When we go the other day, the nominatory in Freetown, if you see the jubilation, people crowded from Cotton Tree, not for exaggeration, Cotton Tree, take up the streets. There were people in there. So now this crowd that they don't see, they are afraid of you going into this election. They want to knock out at all costs. Now not anywhere they say that they sow doubt for people in their mind. But it's not possible. All the things that they do, they are sowing doubt in people in their mind. People are already asking, it's not or not it's not. Even now, Kailao, somebody they tear down the pictures and say this man is not he had a woman. I want to tell you categorically that Dr. Kande Kola-Yinka is in this race. He is qualified to stand, and he is going to stand in this race. Anything that the arena fake news.
Then people that know say, once we dey on the ballot, better not dey for them. So the best strategy, they say na for pull KK wipe na the ballot. But to God, that dey not the deal. And pussy way you know say, na you granny menu for this election, you get for go wait for we first. You get for wait for we because we write for exist as a political party. Like Kande Yukela here and Lukeli the right for contest for the highest office in this land.
Well, that engineer and Ukaili and self some party supporter them. We been talk about the petition, with them petition and flag bearer way na Kande Kola-Yinka doctor. But breaking this way, we say Kande Kola-Yinka doctor don't win in the petition with them petitioner.
Okay, well, from that story, they still inside politics. The flag bearer and leader of the People's Movement for Democratic Change, Charles Francis Magai, don't pick Madam Aissata Dora Bangura as in running mate ahead of the March 7 general election. The party be pulled nado Madam Aissata Bangura inside one meeting where them be all na them party head office na Main Street, Freetown. This appointment will make the PMBC the second political party for appoint woman as running mate for the March 7 election. According to the leader of the PMBC, lawyer Charles Francis Magai, the party they hope for form coalition with other political party them. Make we watch how it be turn like.
This na Main Street, and what you see na be back na the office of the People's Movement for Democratic Change, where plenty people can call PMDC. And today, the party don't set for make they can unveil the vice presidential aspirant. We're going to lead them inside the 2018 election. But plenty people they ask the question if they all two, when they pair together, will make the necessary changes. We're going to able for better people than Mama Sanu.
PMDC don't agree on who that for be the running mate to me in the coming elections. And that person, Aissata Dora Bangura, woman we don't teach in this country for 42 years. Admittedly, it don't impact the lives of so many Sierra Leoneans, some of them doctors today, some lawyers, some engineers, some make we all vote wisely for Mama Salon because Salon they cry. We still in discussion. Okay, as soon as we don't reach an agreement, even after nominations, we can still meet. Then, if they decide, say, na me will be the sole president.
Aissata Dora Bangura, the newly elected running mate of the PMDC. Well, I go call an election because plenty people there they ask their opinion, you know. They ask their opinion as to who does they want for making be the running mate of the party. And plenty people then choose me. Well, the thing where they bring asylum politics and the conscience. You know, it go fight for make when I work at the end of the day, where I go and me host and they don't. If he say I don't do the thing right, that lean man na me heart, nobody tell me say this thing where you do is not correct. Now, and then look at the situation that we come to, how I call him be. And I feel say if the PMDC gets a chance, we go able to fix some of them things here when we continue, when we consider for the governments and this country. The company woman then, let una able say when una give woman them the chance, they go do better things. Like maybe I say more women, better politics. Now plenty women dem don dey advocate for women dem for make dem give dem position. Not of for advocates no more. Dem for really come and try for help we, for make we campaign, then we want to go through to become human. They say this is the time where they forgive and come human the chance.
Name Christopher Keru, the report for AYV Creole News.
Well, plenty thank you to Christopher Keru for that report they will do. Well, now Family Talk Salon with them partner them. Don't all around table talk for inclusive governance and local development with the theme growing the people's planning process nationwide through one Family Talk framework for inclusive dialogue. Well, the programming take place in Bintimani Hotel, Afritong. John Coker, the executive director of Family Talk Salon, and he talk more to your wife.
Well, this is a donors round table where we organize for share the experiences and for popularize the One Family national framework for inclusive governance and local development. And basically, what in the One Family framework they're about now a document where the local government ministry, that's the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development, the lead for ensuring the donors' effort them, NGOs their effort at the community level, they always they respond to the people they need. You know, we take on the experiences from the post-war and also immediately after the Ebola, where people they take what they want for do. I mean, the NGOs and other partners there, they go to communities and tell them what they want to do. But rather, we encourage we colleagues them within the NGO community, the donor community, that make them work with the people's plan. When a plan where the people themselves generate, where they identify what they want to do, how they want to go about where they submit through the councils. So they encourage them for go through the councils and through the people and for ask for that people's plan day and make them respond to what the people they want. So in short, we say the people there for be at the center of their own development. Make we not in our office there and design a program for take to them, but rather the people there for they at the middle of the design process and make them lead in their own development. Okay. So this discussion an opportunity for share what we do in Sierra Leone with about 10 other countries then within Africa, Zimbabwe, Somalia, Kenya, even from Netherlands, Uganda, for me they can see how we they work in Sierra Leone and maybe then can learn from we and take them and apply it into their own context. Because we believe say most of the resources where they go to communities, if they properly harness them, the communities then will be a better place than what they be now. So the relationship is cordial because we know they go there with a lens for say the people are poor, they don't know what they want, we know they go with that kind of lens there. When they go to communities with a lens of saying the people then get the answers to their problem, they know what they want to do. All you need for do is just create a space for many people to step forward and tell you what they want to do and how they have to go about them. For example, we don't see outside communities, I mean like the peace mothers them, from zero, then get about 15,200,000 actually from the woman, minus the money they get in a bank from their contribution 1,000. What thing that they show is, if you go to a village, you go say, oh, the person not getting nothing, make I give them money. No, but if you work with them, a more sustainable.
The Ministry for Youth Affairs don't give couple to Street Life Family. The Street Life Family Youth Organization don't they help for clean the capital as we forget the anti-moth. But for the past 4 years, the organization not be get couple from the ministry. For sake of that, the Youth Affairs Ministry don't begin pay them 300,000 loans through the organization Chief Executive Officer Sheikh Menk. He talk more to AYV.
As I talk to you, we now get a contract with the government, but the Minister of Youth, Tim Kwesi, and His Excellency the President, because we watch me crowd Nadu. If you say that by a month you become campaign, I that. But the people that know, we don't tell them, see, any month done, when they work, we not get contract with government. The government will sorry for we no more, they give you small, right? Because as you can watch, most of the women they not to youth, but get the youth man are the first about dating, right? Most of them man they not to youth, we get young girl, but the man they say they not go work, and the young girl they not go work, they not work.
Happy we collect long-term money return, so far money happy for that. Thank you for Ibrahim Masiro. Thank you for President. Thank you for the Minister. Yeah.
I appreciate and glad it. Let God make the BTA go develop me for them 2-3 days and because I get enough there to have fixed up for go pay their left with change. I thank God.
Tell her let's thank you. Bless them, bless this Maya. Let God bless them. Thank you. Because I make it over. Because we say, let God bless person.
Well, that's not some people maybe they tell thank you to the Youth Affairs Ministry for the couple where they not begin give them for the clean way and the clean the city. Well, the Executive Director for Legal Aid Board, when a Fatmata Clark Carlton Hansel, been go waka na the police headquarters with the deaf and dumb people them as we foretell the new IG and in team plenty thank you for them good work and concern we get towards them people here. As them safe na part na the nation, the same way so say them glady for see them comping the way they work in a police force. Make we hear and see.
Well, today we don't come to the police, we come to Executive Management Board and as well as the IG and the team. We come with the deaf and dumb. Some of them will remember say last year we did not meet with them regarding the confrontation they were in the air with police. And in fact, they not been get a sign and language interpreter. And this past recruitment at the Salion Police Force, they don't recruit a sign and language interpreter as well as a deaf and dumb tailor. So we come for Satan to the police and for say they say na part of the Sierra Leonean community and they get the association. They want to also continue for work with the police and we come for thank the new IG.
This na AYV Creoyus, where they come to you live na AYV television now with our ill studio inside Freedom, where people can say that spoon where they make mots pa yawo krawo na in go make you mot ben. Well, from that wise word they will go come back to una shortly.
The toll road is a great boost to the infrastructure of Sierra Leone and a guarantee of a smooth driving experience. Not only is it now faster and safer to travel upline with the new prepaid card, payment of toll fees is now even quicker and more convenient for you. It's easy to apply at the card center, which is open every Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. at Hastings. Simply present your original and a copy of your legal identification if you are applying as an individual, or if it is an organization, all that is required is a copy of the company's business license and an official letter. Minimum initial top-up is only 100,000 leones and further top-up payments in increments of 50,000 leones.
This card is flexible and unique, and you can use it with any car at your discretion.
The card will activate immediately upon deposit and will be ready for use at all of the 3 gates. Don't miss the early bird discounts. Head down to the Hastings Card Center today or dial 099-119-627 now.
Where you don't join me back inside Creoyus na AYV television. Me na Mayama Mansari.
And me na Samuel Ibrahim Koma. Well, now na time follow we take a business update with Balu Sheriff Samba for you for today.
As the country they move from 3G to 4G service inside Sierra Leone, today we down at Seattle office for can talk to the management in charge for know much about this 4G service with Seattle just launched. Let me talk to them and know more about the service.
Yesterday, Seattle launched the first 4G network na Salon, and within that 4G means now people can able to surf the internet at faster speed. Before now, we only have 3G networks. Even the Seattle CDMA network we've been doing have been 3G. So far, we don't position ourselves so well for the data market. CDMA was doing so well until we come in with the ADSL on the landline. That is a flagship product where so many people in the country they use and they're so happy about. The 4G, it just comes for complement within the ADSL and CDMA already they do. And the business of Seattle not only limited to this, like I been saying yesterday, we a one-stop shop in communications. I mean, whatever you think about in communications, Sierratel get them. MiFi na a device where they connect minimum of 6-7 people. And for instance, if you not get an host, wife, husband, and picking and go share from that one green device there. So Sierratel services and they all over the place. And over and above this, we also send out freelancers. We will be clearly identified and we will carry NATCOM registration books, because whatever SIM you buy from Sierratel or a service, we get for register you.
With hope, people in Salone believe say this 4G service will help boost up the telecommunication inside Salone. Well, now that's all we get time for inside the AYV business near you. Tete Winter, my name is STCC, Tata.
Plenty thank you to you, STCC, for that business update. Well, now an attempt for we sport as we don't get Christopher Keu. We don't join me inside the studio. Christopher Cabo.
Kushe, Mama, and Samuel. Inside the Creole Sport basket, the Salone Cricket Association don't present the Salone female cricket team to the Ministry of Sport after where them be win the Northwest African Female Championship will be happening inside 2018 inside Ghana. The 3-day competition be aimed for build the regional competitive competition and for help them familiar for make them go inside cricket fine one across Africa. The female team that the next generation will get for play and then get for play fine one, and the next game they get for play inside Botswana. Let me watch.
The good performance is exhibited. This is no doubt that you were actually able to win this laurel. And like you've all accepted, this is the second time. And I know you are double champions, and this is very, very good, because in 2015, I can remember also when we received you in this same manner, we are going through a kind of very serious crisis in Sierra Leone, in which the Ebola crisis was actually affecting us. And the only hope after the Ebola ended was a trophy or a gold medal that we received for the female cricket team. So for you to repeat the same performance in 2018, it is also strengthening our hope that cricket in Sierra Leone is formidable. Cricket in Sierra Leone is actually very, very outstanding. And as a ministry, we don't want you to lose hope.
Such a performance. They've done well, and we are very grateful. To the ladies, I want to say thank you. I know that today you are not smiling for reasons best known to us all. But I want to assure you that this is the end of the road. Even though it is really not easy, it is difficult. But let's thank the Almighty God for giving us the opportunity to see another day. I believe that better days are coming. And I'm hoping for the better for the future.
Still with local sports now the country, now 339 days don't left for make 2018 go end. Sport loving fans them now the country Freetown capital where they don't talk about how sports they go, and then they call on the sport authorities them for come and ensure say that the 2018 football and sports go better all around the country for make people them will like sport go enjoy them fine one. Well, then people also been talked to we own AYV sport producer David Remy Wilson waiting they want for see inside 2018 for make sport business go before and go bring better development now the country. Let me watch.
There is some effort that we make some effort 2017. Well, not be enough, but we hope for some more this year, and we hope for see vast difference in terms of progress and all other things we affiliated with sports. Like me, sport, I'm a dream and I'm a wish. I hope to better pass 2017?
2018, we did foresee a big change in sports because myself like a sports lady had to play long tennis, but the previous years we don't pass, we not be the see better inside sports. But this 2018, we pray to God, let the elders they're able for help we for let sports move forward.
We want to see a different level because 2017 not stop. We want to see the past weekend. 2018. Yes, we want to see like scouts that they come, we see games that they play. Because the game they for play. Go game they play, the sportsman they able to play the sport. What do they need?
Hopefully, like what we don't do past the last year 2017 because we also get popular activism for football in terms of football and all the sport activity then. So I believe say this 2018 year we will see something very different. Because 2018 is a year of change. I believe say sports will grow this year. I believe say 2018 is a good year for Salone, at least. And so although yes we get competition ahead, I believe say this sports this time year now will get good results then. So I believe say sport activity will change this 2018.
All over the world, people will export fine one believe say now one thing where they bring people them come together from far and wide. And same way so inside Salone man they hope say where sport business go before, the country self go before. Well now all that we get inside the sport basket. And over to you, Samuel and Miami.
Well, plenty thank you to you, Christopher Kewu, for that sports update day. And we self where they are once for see sport development in the country. Well, now, so we will tap AYV Crew for today. If you want comments about use, you can send me email to info@ayvnews.com. Remember, say 9 o'clock net, we will bring you primetime news. And me, now, Samuel Ibrahim, once again.
Me and Mariama Masare, they say thank you and ask that you continue for watch AYV TV all time. And always remember, say AYV, Nai Salon Sabi.
It Nai AYV Salon Sabi.
Join us on a journey that compounds the activity of Ministry of Agriculture, firstly on food security.
Miss Sandul Demona, good afternoon. Grow and grow and grow and grow.
As we give you a front row seat to the President's agenda for agriculture.
We believe in agriculture. I believe in you, the farmers.
From high-powered meetings to farmers' visit, from factories to farmers' market, cash transfer for empowerment of marginalized groups. TR Agriculture is changing the lives of ordinary Sierra Leone citizens. Walk with us to the hallway of the ministry, to the roads and fields. Join me on Inside the Ministry with maps with me, Jeneba Jallo. On Thursday, see you there.
Hey guys, this is Tazzy B. Whenever I'm in Freetown, I'm locked into AYV's Midnight Special because it's certainly the best.
With AYV Midnight Special, your nights will never be the same again.
Why is there a ferry in the bird feed area?
Good afternoon, officer. Ferry lives don't matter today. That's it right there. Now take the little homie out LAPD style like you do. Oh, and you keep doing all your gangster stuff. I'm just trying to sell my house. Don't worry about that.